guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So in today's video I wanted to do a soft simple glam for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So I'm just thinking some soft pinks here and there, kind of girly and nice. Let's get into the video. So to prime my eyelids I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I'm gonna put that on our eyelids. Blend it out with a brush. Alright, so to set that I'm going to go in with the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. This is in the shade Light Beige. That's the word I'm looking for. So as you can see, I have a new backdrop, so I'm not using my old one anymore because I use natural lighting. It was just so hard to film and I could only film on certain days, and even that wasn't good enough. So I bought myself a ring light and a softbox. So hopefully this setup is better. You can see my makeup better. Like, I love it. I think it's so cool. And I have all different coloured backdrops as well, so that's why it's looking a bit different. Hope you guys don't mind, but I think it'll just improve the quality so much better. Now to use this bad boy, so this one right there, fluffy blending brush, and just put it in the crease, just blending that in. I'm bringing it a little bit higher just above my socket just to create more definition. Okay, now to deepen the crease shade. So I'm just going to take that on the same brush and put it in the exact same spot as we did with the first shade. This will just help deepen the crease up a bit. And now that that's blended, we're going to take an even darker shade. So this kind of nice chocolate brown. So I'm just taking that on the same brush again. A very light hand because these shades are so pigmented. A smaller blending brush. I'm going to add this on the outer corner just to add that more definition. And just blend it through as well. Now to put on the outer V of my eye, just to deepen it a bit more, shade right here. I'm just going to put that exactly on top of where we put that other colour in my crease and on my outer V. I only need a tiny bit because these are so pigmented, and a little bit does go a very long way. And then on a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. To cut the crease, I'm going to go back in with my concealer. I'm going to go in with a lighter shade just to make the colour pop even more. So I'm going to go in with a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. I'm going to take it on a concealer brush, cut my crease. My camera just very rudely cut me off. So I just finished doing my cut crease with my NARS concealer, but I was just looking at my eyeshadow and it's not just dark enough. So I think I might add a dark brown to the outer V just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm going to take this one right here, which I think I took before. I can't remember, but we're going to take this one right here. It's this nice, very deep brown, and just put that on my outer V. So good. Now for the lid shade, this pink right here. So to prep my eyelashes for falsies, I'm just gonna curl them quickly, and then I'm going to put on a coat of the Better Than Sex mascara. Lily Lashes in the style Miami. They're so beautiful. eyelashes are on. They're so nice. For primer, I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I do have a few pimples, so conceal them just with my concealer a little bit. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way, and I am in the shade Warm Nude. Blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. Okay, foundation done. Concealer. I'm going to go in again for the third time, the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in the shade Custard, I think. I'm just going to blend that all in with my sponge. To set my under eyes, I'm going to go in with a Derma Blender powder. I also like to bake my nose because I get really oily throughout the day, and I figured out that if I bake my nose, it doesn't get too oily as it used to when I didn't bake, if that makes sense. Do that. So I'm going to go in with the Australis Fresh and Flawless Powder. Wipe away my bake. For my contour, I'm going to go in with the NYX Contour and Highlight Palette. Let me just mix up these two middle shades right there. Okay, so I also like to contour my nose. For bronzer, I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie, MAC Give Me Sun. Warm these cheeks up. Use that on my forehead. I'm going to go back in with a Derma Blend powder and just do a little cleanup. With the Nude Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics. This shade right here. Nice flush of pink. Brush away that bake. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Highlighter Hustler Baby. It's unbelievable how good this highlighter is. I'm also going to use this as my brow highlight and inner corner highlight. To finish off my lower lash line for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go back in with a palette shade. Now that that's blended, I'm going to take the darker colour, so this chocolate brown right there. Just to deepen up even more, the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever. I think I just moved my contact. That is done, so I'm just going to put some bottom mascara on just to add a bit more pop, because we all want to be extra on Valentine's Day. I'm going to add the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to put that on top of the shimmer shade on my eyelid because it does have a hint of gold in it, so this will match perfectly with that. For my lips, I'm going to go in with a liner, and this is MAC Whirl. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Long Wear Lipstick. This is in the shade Cool Girl. Oh, that's a really nice nude. The formula of these are so good. But just on top of that, I'm just going to put some Rimmel Oh My Gloss on. This is just the clear one. So to set my face, I'm going to go in with a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Stuff smells so good. This is the completed look. I love it. I think it's so nice. It's so wearable. I hope you guys loved watching it. Hope you learned something new. Maybe you could wear this on Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and comment what video I should do next, because I always need new ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Go away. I just wanna be